Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sokyak Shafi Maman. Let me present about knurling. Definition of knurling. Knurling is a lathe machining process that creates a diamond shaped pattern on a workpiece surface. It is done by using hardened metal wheels with special space shapes to enhance the workpiece appearance and provide a better grip. This process creates small ridges along the surface of the metal object so that it can be easily handled or lifted. These small ridges are a combination of horizontal, vertical, or crossing lines on the surface of the workpiece. For knurling purpose, here it is. When knurl product can present an attractive pattern on its surface that enhance its overall aesthetic value. However, most people will like that texture finish are more attractive than smooth finish. In addition to its aesthetic, there are practical reason of manufacturing companies to adopt knurling. It is common for hand tools, such a screwdriver, to be knurled, which provides a better grip and makes them more usable. Then knurling also has a type, namely the first, annular ring. This type of knurling is often used when the mating part is plastic. The annular rings allow for easy mating, but the ridge make it difficult to separate the component. For the second, linear knurl. Linear knurling is really useful to use with mating plastic pieces. Since linear knurling allows for greater torsion between the component. For the third, diamond knurl. This process is a combination of annular rings and linear knurls that creates a diamond shape. It is typical used to provide a better grip on component and is the most common type used on everyday items. And finally, there is strike knurl. Strike knurling is also a type of manufacturing process. This is usually conduction on lathe, by which a pattern of strike rolls is rolled into the material in order to create a texture surface. Continue how to operate knurling. Before the knurling operation, the machinist should determine the location and length of the knob and then set the machine to knurl. With a medium fit, it is necessary to keep the speed slow. Speed is usually set 60 to 80 rpm, while the fit is best for spindle revolution from 0,04 mm to 0,08 mm when setting the knurling tool in the tool post. Ensure that the axis of the knurling head is at center height and that the face of the knurl is parallel to the workpiece. Before turning on the machine, check the rollers that move freely and are in good cutting condition. When performing knurling operation, it is necessary to oil the knurling tool cutting wheels where they contact the workpiece. Bring the cutting wheels or roller up to the surface of the work so that about 1/2 of their face is in contact with it. It will be easier to start the kernel if the roller face is placed in a above mentioned manner. And it will cut smoother too. The area to be kernel should be generous coat with oil. Now start the lathe, forcing the kernel into the workpiece about 0.05 mm. That's all for my presentation this time. Thank you.